Zombie apocalypse.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Studies Corner. Today we are going to discuss novel Uniform MCQs by George Orwell. Question number 1. Novel Animal Farm written by option A George Orwell, option B Robert Frost, option C Virginia Woolf, option D Charles Dickens. Here the correct answer is option A George Orwell. Novel Animal Farm written by George Orwell. Question number 2. What did manure farm, animal farm represent? Option A England, option B Germany, option C Russia, option D France. Here the correct answer is option C Russia. Manure farm or animal farm represent Russia. Question number 3. What did old Major's teachings of animalism represent? Option A capitalism, option B communism, option C Russian Orthodox Church, option D a dictatorship. Here the correct answer is option B communism. Old Major's teachings of animalism represent communism. Question number 4. Who does Snowball represent? Option A Nicholas, option B Marx, option C Stalin, option D Trotsky. Here the correct answer is option D Trotsky. Snowball in the novel represent Trotsky. Question number 5. What did the rebellion represent? Option A the Russian Revolution, option B the French Revolution, option C the American Revolution, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option A the Russian Revolution. Rebellion represents in the novel the Russian Revolution. Question number 6. Who did Old Major represent? Option A Stalin, option B Trotsky, option C Nicholas, option D Marx. Here the correct answer is option D Marx. Old Major represent in the novel Marx. Question number 7. What did Sugar Candy Mountain represent? Option A hell, option B heaven, option C America, option D England. Here the correct answer is option B heaven. Sugar Candy Mountain represent heaven. Question number 8. What did the windmill represent? Option A the rebellion, option B Trotsky's 5-year plan, option C Stalin 5 years plan, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option C Stalin. Windmill represents Stalin's 5-year plan. Question number 9. What did Pinchfield owned by Mr. Frederick represent? Option A England, option B Germany, option C hell, option D heaven. Here the correct answer is option B Germany. Pinchfield owned by Mr. Frederick represent Germany. Question number 10. What did Foxwood owned by Mr. Plinkton represent? Option A England, option B heaven, option C America, option D Germany. Here the correct answer is option A England. Foxwood owned by Mr. Plinkton represent England. Question number 11. What type of pig or boar was Old Major? Option A bearded pig, option B wild boar, option C middle white boar, option D none of these. Here the correct answer is option C middle white boar. Question number 12. What did the dogs represent? Option A the secret police, option B the bourgeois class, option C the working class, option D the Russian Orthodox Church. Here the correct answer is option A the secret police. Dogs represent in the novel the secret police. Question number 13. What did Molly the horse represent? Option A the secret police, option B spies, option C the working class, option D the bourgeois class. Here the correct answer is option D bourgeois class. Molly the horse represent the bourgeois class. Question number 14. What did the sheep first chant before the pigs took over animal farm? Option A, 2 legs good, 4 legs bad. Option B, 4 legs good, 2 legs better. Option C, 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. Option D, 2 legs good, 4 legs better. Here the correct answer is option C, 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. Question number 15. Before the pigs took over completely, how did meeting always end? Option A, with the singing of Beasties of England. Option B, with the march around the yard. Option C, with the blowing of the horn. Option D, with the raising of the flag. Here the correct answer is option A, with the singing of the Beasties of England. Before the pigs took over completely, meetings always end with the singing of Beasties of England. Question number 16. What was the name of the decoration Napoleon confers upon him? Option A, the Order of the Green Flag. Option B, the Order of Animal Farm. Option C, the Order of the Green Banner. Option D, the Order of the Brown Banner. Here the correct answer is option C, the Order of the Green Banner. Name of the decoration Napoleon confers upon himself is the Order of the Green Banner. Question number 17. What was the name of the horse that left Animal Farm? Option A, Regan. Option B, Molly. Option C, Trot. Option D, none of these. Here the correct answer is option B, Molly. Molly was the name of the horse that left Animal Farm. Question number 18. Which type of animal was considered the smartest and therefore the best leader? Option A, the pigs. Option B, the dogs. Option C, the cats. Option D, the sheep. Here the correct answer is option A, the pigs. Question number 19. What project did Napoleon initially oppose but later adopt? Option A, building an army to invade the neighboring farm. Option B, shooting Molly. Option C, building a windmill. Option D, building an irrigation system. Here the correct answer is option C, building a windmill. Building a windmill was the project Napoleon initially opposed but later adopted. Question number 20. Who acted as a mediator between Animal Farm and the outside world? Option A, Mr. Vampire. Option B, Jones. Option C, Mr. Lewis. Option D, Napoleon. Here the correct answer is option A, Mr. Vampire. Mr. Vampire acted as a mediator between Animal Farm and the outside world. Question number 21. What was the windmill named? Option A, Animal Farm Mill. Option B, Napoleon Mill. Option C, Cowshed Mill. Option D, Molly's Mill. Option B. Here the correct answer is option B, Napoleon Mill. Windmill named as Napoleon Mill. Question number 22. How did Frederick pay for the timber he bought from Napoleon? Option A, with pennies. Option B, with check. Option C, with forged banknotes. Option D, with cow's milk. Here the correct answer is option C, with forged banknotes. Frederick paid for the timber he bought from Napoleon with forged banknotes. Question number 23. What month did Old Major die in? Option A, March. Option B, June. Option C, December. Option D, September. Here the correct answer is option A, March. Old Major died in the month of March. Question number 24. How many commandments were there originally? Option A, 10. Option B, 1. Option C, 7. Option D, 4. Here the correct answer is option C, 7. Originally there were 7 commandments. Question number 25. What did the humans blame for the collapse of windmill? For the first time it was destroyed. Option A, it was too tall. Option B, the walls were too thin. Option C, it was the fault of Snowball. Option D, none of these. Here the correct answer is option B, the walls were too thin. Question number 26. What is the final commandment? Option A, all animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. Option B, Napoleon is always right. Option C, four legs good, two legs bad. Option D, no animal shall drink. Here the correct answer is option A. All animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. Question number 27. Who is the character in the novel whose ideas are the basis of animalism? Option A, Snowball. Option B, Napoleon. Option C, Old Major. Option D, Skiller. Here the correct answer is option C, Old Major. Question number 28. What is the name of the battle in which Snowball is wounded? Option A, the Glorious Revolution. Option B, Battle of the Cowshed. Option C, the Animal Revolution. Option D, Battle of Animal Farm. Here the correct answer is option B, the Battle of Cowshed. Snowball is wounded in the Battle of Cowshed. Question number 29. How many dogs are in Napoleon's secret police? Option A, 11. Option B, 10. Option C, 9. Option D, 7. Here the correct answer is option C, 9. There are total 9 dogs in the Napoleon's secret police. Question number 30. Which two animals would always disagree? Old Major and Snowball. Option B, Snowball and Skiller. Option C, Napoleon and Skiller. Option D, Snowball and Napoleon. Here the correct answer is option D, Snowball and Napoleon. Snowball and Napoleon are the two animals in the novel which are always disagreed from each other. Question number 31. What day did the Battle of Cowshed take place? Option A, March 29. Option B, October 12. Option C, Midsummer's Day. Option D, Christmas Day. Here the correct answer is option B, October 12. Battle of Cowshed take place on October 12. Question number 32. Who had the slogan, I will work harder and Napoleon is always right? Option A, Skiller. Option B, Napoleon. Option C, Snowball. Option D, Boxer. Here the correct answer is option D, Boxer. Boxer had the slogan, I will work harder and Napoleon is always right. Question number 33. When the animals take over the farm, they change the name to Animal Farm. What was the original name of the farm? Option A, Jones Farm. Option B, Manor Farm. Option C, London Farm. Option D, none of these. Here the correct answer is option B, Manor Farm. Manor Farm was the original name of the animal farm. Question number 34. What was the chant that the animals said that summed up the basic idea of animalism? Option A, four legs good, two legs bad. Option B, four legs good, two legs good. Option C, four legs bad, two legs good. Option D, four legs bad, two legs bad. Here the correct answer is option A, four legs good, two legs bad. Question number 35. All animals are equal but some. Option A, animals are even more equal. Option B, animals are more equal than others. Option C, animals are better than others. Option D, animals are not equal as others. Here the correct answer is option B, animals are more equal than others. All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. Question number 36. At the beginning of the book, Old Major teaches a song to the animals called what? Option A, Beasties Forever. Option B, Beasties of London. Option C, Beasties of England. Option C, Beasties Prevail. Here the correct answer is option C, Beasties of England. Question number 37. What real life historical event is this book based on? Option A, French Revolution. Option B, Russian Revolution. Option C, American Revolution. Option D, World War I. Here the correct answer is option B, Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution was the real life historical event represented in the book Animal Farm. Question number 38. Who reads the best on the farm? Option A, Muriel. Option B, Boxer. Option C, Napoleon. Option D, Snowball. Here the correct answer is option A, Muriel. Question number 39. Which is one of the commandments? Option A, no makeup. Option B, free beer. Option C, no dancing. Option D, no consumption of oil. Here the alcohol. Here the correct answer is option D, no consumption of alcohol. Question number 40. What do the pigs take for themselves that was supposed to be shared equally? Option A, milk and apples. Option B, windmill. Option C, oranges. Option D, beer. Here the correct answer is option A, milk and apples. Pigs take milk and apples for themselves that was supposed to be shared equally. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press the button like, comment and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you again. Allah Hafiz.